An Aldine ISD teacher is now out on bond after being arrested on child sexual assault charges. The investigation into Derrick Banks dates back 4 years, with his arrest warrant being issued 2 years ago. So the wanted teacher was in the classroom for years before he was arrested. ABC 13's Brianna Willis on that story live downtown. And Brianna, the timeline truly raising some questions tonight.
Yeah, that's correct, Gina. In fact, these court documents reveal that investigators knew he worked in education at the time. And then not only did we learn he continued teaching high school students as his arrest warrant was issued 2 years ago, we also learned that his teaching certification was revoked years before he even got the job.
I have serious concerns about that, and I would have to ask questions as to why that warrant stood idle for 2 years.
Concerns about an alleged criminal. This is the warrant and case details we took to retired HPD Captain Dr. Greg Freeman. It's about this defendant in an orange jumpsuit, 39-year-old Derrick Banks. Up until he was arrested, Banks was an agriculture teacher at Eisenhower High School in Aldine ISD. However, the TEA's website shows his teaching certificate was revoked in 2016. Court documents detailing a 2021 sexual assault investigation, alleging Banks met up with a 13-year-old boy who he met on an app and then sexually abused him. Adding the child waited in a trunk for Banks to come out of his home. He blindfolded him and then walked him into his bedroom.
Sir, you have 2 warrants for the first-degree felony offenses of aggravated sexual assault of a child under the age of 14.
Banks now facing a judge, but it took police 2 years to arrest him after they issued an arrest warrant in October 2023. Just before that charge was filed, we learned from Aldine ISD they hired him in August of 2023 after he passed a criminal background check. Freeman telling me it's not normal for these type of arrests to take so long, especially with educators.
Did investigators leave and hand off these cases to other people? Was there miscommunication? I don't know. But obviously things happen, and I'm sure it was done in good faith, nothing ill-intended, but still it happened. And kids could have suffered and got hurt in the process, and we're just grateful and hopeful that that did not happen.
And we, of course, did follow up the district about why Banks was even hired with that revoked teaching certification. We have not heard back from that at this time, but they did tell us that Banks is on administrative leave as the investigation continues. We also reached out to HPD. We are still waiting to hear back from them at this time. We're live downtown. I'm Brianna Willis, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.